Hey guys, it's me, Elena. Finally, I can open with you another doll from the fairy tale series by the Japanese doll company Azone International. She is from the steampunk Alvastaria line. I already unboxed in my channel Alice in Wonderland Meryl. You can find the link to the video in the description below. This time we will dive into Red Riding Hood fairy tale. I got the Red Riding Hood herself as I thought she is extremely cute. Also with her was scary wolf Tiea, who was originally her brother, and they always got released together. Let's unbox this cutie and look closely at all the little details. Her box overall is red in color, imitating red leather texture from the front and back. On the front there is the name of the doll, Tiea, and the name of the release, Red Riding Hood and Forest Wolf, and portrait of the doll. Around her Japanese name writing are leaves and berries, hinting us to a forest theme. On the top is absolutely the same view. On the sides, as always, we can see the doll's full height photos. On one she is wearing all elements from her set, including the clock. She looks like a true fairy tale girl. Another photo of her shows her wearing just the basic elements of her clothing, creating a more everyday look. On the back there is a big photo of Tiea wandering in the forest, searching for a way to her grandma. There is a list of the items included, a little information about Alvastaria world and its characters, information about doll's body, which is Pure Nemo Flexion XS. This doll cost 15,000 yen before taxes on the day of the release. On the bottom is usual manufacturer's information and that this doll is for people 15 years old and up. Background inside the box is Alvastaria style, looks like an old paper. On a corner there is a little basket with some flowers inside it and next to it. I bet inside is some yummy food for her grandma. This time we didn't receive any maintenance book or storybook about the doll. Again, it's a simple card. On the front is Tia's pictures in the forest, same as we saw on the box. On the back is what is included in the set with pictures. Oh, and what is this? It's a QR code which leads to the online maintenance booklet. Well, I guess booklets won't be returning, the end of an era. The first very interesting element of the doll's outfit is her beautiful burgundy-colored cloak. On the hood it has little cute ears with lighter fabric from the inside. Who is really the wolf here? One of the ears is decorated with plastic brown button and green bow. On all edges there is a dark gray lace. There is a faux leather clasp on the front with metallic buckles, but it's also just an imitation, and the clock just fastens with the usual metallic snap. Inside clock has white and peach color striped fabric. Overskirt. It goes on top of your usual skirt. It has a brown faux leather belt with a metallic buckle, which is just an imitation, and the belt fastens with a metallic snap. The skirt part itself is two layers of semi-transparent striped black material with black laces. The best part for me is those little golden metallic pendants. They are attached to the belt with this metallic leaf, and of course they are related to sewing. Don't forget, according to the story, Tiea is a seamstress, so as a pendant we see important things for such profession: fabric, scissors, and threads. She has brown faux leather high boots. They are laced all the way up and have little metallic buckles on the side. Boots have an imitation of some kind of a fold on the top. The sole is plastic and of a lighter brown color. Just a friendly reminder to subscribe if you have not already. Press the bell button, it will help more people to see my video, which will help us to spread doll love all around the world. Tiea has a very beautiful long wavy brown hair. They actually consist of two colors, light and dark. Her bangs were from the beginning combed to the side, which I think is very cute. Around her face there are shorter pieces of hair. Her eyes are bright like a spring leaves. With the red outfit it looks just great. She, as all the previous Tiea releases, has a kitty cat mouth and her eyes look to the side. Her skin color is white, but I noticed that this release and previous have different looking material for the head. First one looks a bit transparent. She has a brown faux leather corset with lacing. Straps have metallic buckles which even have molded tongue. It is not working, but you still can open those straps. I like when outfits are made to maximum possible realism. This corset actually reminded me a lot of the corset from Tia's first release. However, the first one looks a lot simpler, more simple construction of the straps, less holes for lacing. Behind it fastens with a velcro on the waist area and metallic hook for the straps, which goes around her neck. Around the doll's neck there is a big burgundy bow. It is made from a ribbed fabric. It fastens around the neck on a simple black thin ribbon, and behind it also has a metallic hook. Her silk ivory blouse has long sleeves with big faux leather brown cuffs. They are decorated with straps and buckles. It makes her look very cool, a real steampunk character. The cuffs don't have any snaps, so it's necessary to take off your hands before putting her blouse on or taking off. On the front, the blouse has frills and golden beads imitating buttons. The blouse fastens behind with a velcro. I love her dark brown pleated skirt. Most pleated skirts to me have a strong association with Japan and anime. What about you? It is short and has white laces on the bottom. Underneath this skirt even has a white semi-transparent underskirt. Even those don't actually need them. It's nice how much attention to details creators had. Behind it fastens with a metallic snap. Her panties are very simple and semi-transparent. There are not even a tiny decoration on them. Her knee socks are made of a very cool looking black net. On top there are brown leather suspenders with little metallic button imitations. I loved them on the first release, and now they are back. Top of the knee socks also has barely visible black laces. What do you think about the third Tiea release? Which one is your favorite? Personally, I wasn't disappointed at all. I hope they will continue making more Alvastaria dolls in a fairy tale setting. I might need them all. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what I'm doing. And press the bell button to be notified as soon as I upload new doll related video. Love dolls and Kon-Kon! Oops.